Yeah, watch that prayer. Sit down while a meditation I wonder. Hold me I go cook. You see me? Then it just come to my head. Alright, I'm gonna show you how I go on. That's the prayer. You see me I did it. See the prayer now, how it come to my head now, so watch your maps now. For the wire some, you shut up some rice and peas. Earlier, I get to me and say, respect our manners who support Vice Tea's kitchen. I get to me and say, I have some planting. Well fry up and nice, ready for serve in a plate. I get a nice, very nice, you understand? I have some jerk chicken. Yeah man, done deal with already. You understand? Ready for go in a plate. I get a idea. Watch it pray. Vegetarian, see thing I may have some cabbage. You get me I say, all nice, prepare right, ready for go in a plate. You get me I say, and we have some more rice, I say, you know, some more rice. And you don't know your thing, but we can't too much out of the rice and peas, is it? In real life. But what what we have again? Oh yeah man, we have some stew chicken, ready for go in a box, ready for serve. You get me idea for people them. Yeah man, like, share, subscribe, Vibes Stays in the kitchen. You don't know the thing, this is the jerk sauce with the jerk chicken. You get me idea? Yes man. Respect our manners. We gotta do the right thing out here. You get me I say about the jerk chicken look good. Talk the truth. No joke. Vibes Stays in the kitchen. Now we out.